What is going on, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be attempting the fastest yet most information packed short on the Mark 7 Golf R oil change. Let's get into it. And just like that, we changed the oil on a Mark 7 Golf R. If you guys do like the content, you do want to see more Golf R content, Evo 8 content, STI content, make sure you do go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button. Until the next one, peace out, keep wrenching.